simple in Kim's way.
Yeah, I
Like,
never
make me a landing
do.
page.
Yeah, I
For
never
wallet
do
cards.
anything simple. You know that, right?
Exactly. That's why I'm
All right,
laughing.
so we're gonna
It's
have it
Kim's
make.
way. Make it simple.
Yeah, we're gonna have it make a wallet pass for a craft beer place and a membership club with a craft beer concierge, a landing page, a Google Sheet, email capture. All right, so what do we got? Pub, Copper and Cask Pub and Eatery. I like it. Member program, Tap Syndicate. Oh, I like that a lot. Yeah, that's good. The Tap Syndicate. Cool. 10 punch
No.
digital wallet card. The 10th featured draft is earned. Okay. Streetwear energy. Oh, that goes along with the print on demand stuff I've been creating. Oh, this would be, yeah, I could create some cool merch for this company. Okay, I'm creating 3 coordinated graphics, logo, icon, wallet artwork, and landing page hero. And the member data workbook now. Oh, that's for me. It has a skill that it reads that knows I need a playbook for every wallet card that I create. That's just a responsible builder thing that I have in place for stuff. Image workflow is, yeah, it'll look like one system rather than a bunch of generic stuff. So we'll let it go and see how long it takes. What's it doing here? Doing the Google Sheet. Yeah, sorry. I can't just say go make a wallet pass, you know. I think in the whole, you know.
I just found this funny. Let's make it something quick.
It'll still only take like 4 to 6 minutes probably.
Oh yeah, that's the
Yeah,
thing. It's
the whole
quick
thing.
to do it. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, it's a doable thing.
Which is
I
cool.
think when she brings
Like,
goes,
you know.
all the idea was coming in.
I know, it's like let me think. You know, because when I think of this stuff, if I'm going to use tokens to do something, I want it to be something that I can maybe actually use. And so why not? You know, this is what I do all day long, though. I get an idea. You missed it, Diana. While it's creating this, I'll show you what we did earlier. I'll see if I can put my phone back up here and show you the thing that we created. Oh, it's got the landing pages doing, or the agent. Yeah.
No,
I like that ChatGPT kind of shows you a visual of what it's doing. Oh, let's see.
So if you go to your platform, you see it's something that's already started. Probably created a wallet or something like.
Yeah.
Like how? Yeah.
We were doing YouTube Shorts. Jafir was asking, how do I do YouTube Shorts so quick? So I was telling him, this is using the avatar. I was like, hey, I'm Quick Draw McGraw of the YouTube Shorts, right? So I went over and I had it do this one. I'm Quick Draw McGraw, fastest creator in the West. Watch me create a YouTube short in record time. Fast edits, cool effects, and it is done. I'm Quick Draw McGraw. Pretty funny.
That's good. Yeah, that's good. And
then I did the other one.
Yeah, the other one, much better. Yeah.
Yeah, the one that I did with the actual Quick Draw McGraw. Oh, now I got to try and get out of here again. I always forget how to do that.
There you go.
Okay.
That's where you are.
That's where I am. This is where it is. Okay, the library. Gosh, that took forever to get there. All right, so here's the video we made. Oh, that was the... They call me Quick Draw McGraw, fastest video creator in the West.
Mm-hmm.
Played it, but okay. Slow. There's a delay. That's how it's done. They call me Quick Draw McGraw, fastest video creator in the West. This one, Gemini. And that's how it's done. They call me Quick. Quite a delay there on that, trying to play it that way.
Yeah, but it looks good. I like the effect.
It looks good, right? Yeah. We went to Gemini and put the image of Quick Draw McGraw in there, and then said, you know, make my avatar be a Pixar. Let's see where we're at here. Built and live. Open the landing page, the concierge, the agent there, the membership form, the Google Sheet. This is all the stuff that it did. I did not issue a fake customer pass or submit fake sign-up data. Replace the placeholder. Okay, so let's go look. Let's check out the landing page. Your next favorite beer knows a guy. That's pretty good. Nice hero image there. I like that. Okay, not bad. Not
I
bad.
like that. That's very good.
Yeah.
Wow.
Here's the okay. Join the
Form.
syndicate. Here's the
This is
FAQs. Join the syndicate. Okay. So if I fill that out and just put some stuff in there, and
Oh, I need my glasses. Don't see shit.
okay. And oh, I need to put a good date
Mm.
because it's alcohol. That's why it's asking the birthday. I better put the right year. Oh, wait a minute. I confirm that I'm this old, right? And join the syndicate. All right, let's see what if it gives me an error. No, it didn't. So I'll have to make sure that that's valid. You wouldn't want to do something like that without it actually verifying the age. You'll get in a lot of trouble. Okay, so it's got the landing page. Let's go over and see what it actually did with the wall. It's hilarious. I shall see.
Oh,
Yep,
there it
there
is.
it is. Built it over here. So, doggone it. I have to be careful
You have
that it's on the
to
right. Yeah, you have to make sure that it's building it on the right account. You have to get very specific. All right, so I can still share my phone. And
let's see what kind of cool graphic you did.
yeah, let's see. I want to join it and sign up.
Oh,
You guys can sign up if you want.
You know, but this QR code, if you're on your phone, you can't do nothing. They should be
Oh,
able to give
yeah.
you
Let me move that. You guys can sign up for it if you want to. Okay, and I'm gonna add it to my wallet. There it is. Oh, nice. That's a nice little graphic. I like it.
oh, yeah.
Not bad. I'll add that.
okay.
So
Not
good.
bad. Now, what we need to do is go see if it created any
Give you
automations. Okay. So here's
create what?
any automations, right? There's no automation. So if I create an automation, I can say cheers. I'll call it cheers. And then the trigger is when I'll go to the wallet passes. When a punch is added, okay, I want an automation that on this program, the Tap Syndicate, whenever they get a punch, it's going to start a flow. And I'll select the flow. Let's just, I don't have one made, but we'll have it make a flow that I'll select one for now and I'll change it. Testing. So now there's an automation, right? So whenever there's a wallet punch added, it's going to start this flow. And let's go over and tell it. I'm on the wrong one. This one, right? Okay. No, where's the... Where did it build it at? Oh, did I close it? I must have closed it. Hold on. Where's my last chat? There. Work. Sorry, things slow down when I have this much open. Okay. Alright, so I created an automation to start a flow, but I just picked a random flow because I don't have one built yet, but I want a flow built, and I want you to do it, that sends a push notification to that wallet card owner when they receive the punch with a celebratory cheers celebration. Fireworks if you can do it. see, you could have this sent to a text message where it actually sent them a graphic, but since I don't have it set up to send SMS, it won't do a graphic on a push notification. So what it should do now is go build a flow, and it's going to find that Cheers flow, that automation that I just created, and it's going to create a flow that attaches to that. But it could have created the automation itself. Now, I have had some times where when I've asked for it to create an automation and I went back and checked, it actually didn't connect it. So I had to go and either set the flow or the trigger or the tag myself somewhere in the automation. It tried to create it, but not everything was selected. Just like when there's a flow, if it has a Google Sheet or something in it, you want to make sure that it's mapped correctly and all that stuff. It does a pretty good job most of the time, but you always want to, that's why I always ask at the end of any of these MCP sessions, I always ask it to tell me everything that it built so that I can go back and check every single thing that it did, every custom field that it created, all of that stuff. All right, so let's go to the flow editor and see what it built. Okay. Might have just taken a while to get populated there. All right, so there's the flow. So if we go check automation again, make sure it's connected to it. And yeah, it's connected to it now. So update that. It's enabled. So now if I go assign points to that card, I'll assign points to my card. One punch. And let's see if I get the notification. Yeah, I did. You just earned a point.
You did?
Yeah. Why is it not showing on here?
It comes as SMS, right? Text?
No, it's coming as a push notification. It should have popped right up here on phone.
Should be on your wallet though, right?
Yeah, it's on the wallet. So let me go to the wallet and open that up.
Oh, that's the right one?
Oh. No, that's not it. There it is. Okay.
Hey. You got one.
So let's go look at the back. Cheers. You just earned a Tap Syndicate Punch. You're the one pour closer to your 10th feature draft on the house. Open your pass to see your progress. Here's the club home. All right. Join the syndicate. Different, like the website, the landing page link on there. I should go edit it, put the landing page link. But see, here's the latest update. Cheers, Kim Gasco. You just earned a tap. Okay. I would change this instead of punches. I would put taps. Yeah, pretty cool. And it's not bad at all.
Yeah, I like the picture the way you put it, and then you got it looks nice.
It looks nice.
Why
yeah.
you figured out? It already knows now, because before it was like a mess.
Yeah, it's good. So it seemed to do that pretty well. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So work worked.
Yeah, so work works. Now let's see. Let me. Go ahead, Diana.
No, nothing. Yeah. 2% is what you have left? I don't
No,
see.
that's what I
What was
used.
it?
Yeah, here, if I go look.
Oh, you used
Because
that.
this one's
Okay,
different.
good.
This one's different. It starts at 100%, and it tells you what you have remaining, not what you've used,
Okay.
which is just the
Yeah, I
opposite.
have
Claude,
to check that.
yeah, Claude tells you the opposite, what you've used.
That weekly.
Yeah.
Weekly, right?
That's the weekly. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah. Yeah, this one doesn't have an actual session usage like Claude does.
Right.
So
That's
Claude,
good.
Usage. Yes, now that everybody's checking, they actually put usage there, so you don't else. So see, it tells you how much is used, and then your current session. You know what you're using in the current session.
Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. I like it.
I'm not finding that. What is it? Let's see. I'm on the app here on the phone. Let's see.
Diana, I did
Yeah.
find the usage and limits, by the way. If you see on my phone.
Oh, in the app?
On my phone.
Yeah, I just tried using the browser instead of the app. Now I can see it.
Because the app,
Yeah,
if you
but
go,
the app-
yeah, your Chat GPT.
Oh, let me see your. So that's the app, right?
Yeah, this is the app. All right. So if I go here to settings, you got the little settings button here.
Yes.
Okay. When you click on that, and it shows your memory, your plugins, your phone number, your subscription, and then under here's usage and limits under the upgrade there.
Let me see.
You see, do you have that?
Let's see that. No, mine doesn't have that.
No.
That's
are you on an Android or an iPhone?
It's Android.
Yeah, that might be why.
But if I go
do you have an account?
Yeah, I have the pro account. All the
No. I'm saying, do you have a button for account? So maybe you have to drill down into your account info. Like mine's showing it already. These different sections, the customization, the account, the theme.
Yeah, the account. But I have this in Portuguese, and I'm slow today.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. But it's not here. I'm looking to it.
Yeah, my usage and limits is under the account stuff, where my profile, basically my email, phone number, subscription. In that same place is the usage and limits for me.
Yeah, but it's not here. Somehow it's not here.
You know, one thing too, that all the platform, they have different things for US and Europe.
They do. Yeah, international is different too. So
completely.
Yeah, especially when it comes to apps. Yeah.
But probably it's not. Sometimes they upgrade a little bit the app, and it's not doing the update.
Yeah, they go after that.
It's not updated, but I need to update that app probably.
I know there's so many different options. Yeah. It could have to do with the international thing. It could have to do with the Android versus iPhone. It could have to do with the Chat GPT version that you have. It could be so many different things. Yeah. That's why it's so hard when everybody asks, oh, show me where that's at. It's like, well, I can show you where it's at for me, but I don't know if that's going to do much good for you if you're in a different country or using a different browser. Even the browsers, like using Google versus using Firefox or whatever, is totally different. And when you go to show people stuff, it's like, So.
Yeah, different for different phones, even.
But yeah, that was pretty good. And you know what's interesting? I wonder if it used the tools to do the image in the content generator. Let's see. Oh, it did. It made them over here, which is interesting. I didn't know that I had them.
Wow.
But
I like that hamburger.
Yep. So that's the image actually on the landing page, right? That it put in the hero section. Okay. And then this one is the logo. Yeah, it made some nice images. Check that out.
Beautiful, yeah.
And it was only using GPT image 1. There's the logo that it made. And it's cool. It made it with my gold metallic kind of bronze. And oh, this is the merge. This was a video that I did with this is one of the ads I did for one of my t-shirts.
Oh, you're the one made it, I saw it.
Yeah. I'm the human. I love that. I'm chief. So good. I think I saw this too.
Okay. Yeah, and so
This
see, I did that with 11 Labs and the merge. It made that with the MCP. I did that with the MCP, like Ryan did in his
That's a
live
very
stream.
good.
Yeah.
I'm the human behind the AI.
What's that?
Cool. Yeah, that's a very cool line. Like, I'm the human, you know.
Oh yeah, I'm in
the
charge, not the AI. AI is great, but I'm the human. I'm in charge.
But I'm in charge.
Yeah.
Exactly. There's a human always.
Yeah, I have that available on my site if you want to buy one. Now available for purchase, $19.95.
That's a very good line. I love that.
As a pitch demo to any craft beer place that I want to try and sell a wallet pass to. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right,
It's getting business.
Yeah.
That's cool.
got a chat too, right? That chat is the agent, right? Still
Yep.
part of the PMP.
Yep. So I say, how does this work? Okay. I don't even have to explain it. The agent's going to come in here and say, Tap Syndicate's a free 21 plus digital punch card. Buy a qualifying feature draft during each and earn a punch. 9 punches, your 10th feature draft is free. Members can get up tap alerts, birthday perks. And if I want to join it, it's going to ask me for my information, I bet you. It's 20. Email, confirm you're 21, provide your info, right? Let's see what it does. Add mobile birthday later. Oh, I didn't check the Google Sheet, did I? Joe at email.com.
Is updating creating the wallet pass for him? Are you? Like, is
yeah, let's see.
Yeah.
It's asking me. So if I go check, and what else was I going to check? Oh, I was going to check to see if it was tools.
Punching the card?
Yeah, let's see on the wallet pass if it signed up that guy.
You did. Yeah. Oh, sign up, but he gave him a credit, 1 punch.
Let me see. But did it actually? That's what I'm saying. See, it didn't assign the card. Okay, so so I checked out the concierge on the landing page, and I did a mock sign up, and it said it added me to the wallet pass, but when I checked the wallet pass, it did not add in. And so I need that corrected on the agent, where it actually will add a member to the card if they give the correct information to be added to a wallet pass. Let's see what it says.
That's weird though. Added in spreadsheet, but not in Google Sheet, but not on there.
It's correcting both parts. See, it said that there was a wiring gap, that the concierge was only saving the sign-up contacts to the Google Sheet. It did not have a wallet card issuance action. So that changed in the flow, I'm sure. I'm correcting both parts, adding an actual wallet card issuance flow for program 378, connecting it to the concierge sign-up function, and tightening the agent instructions so it only says your pass was issued when the wallet action succeeds and returns the add to wallet link.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This could be your template too, because instead of saying brewer, you can say restaurant, you can say car dealership, whatever.
Oh yeah,
it's
yeah.
already. Yeah, that's nice.
And see, if you go in here and you just think of some different things that you want to build it for, right? And you go in and you have the MCP build some. And then you'll notice things like this, like, well, if I want them to, like, do the customer journey, that's what I do. I go in there and I say, okay, now if I was a customer and came to this landing page, what would I do? I'd ask some of these questions, right? What are the answers that it gives me? This is the place where everybody stops doing the job. they build this stuff, and even if they do one of two things. They either build it and never do anything with it, which, you know, I land in that camp all the time. You know, Diana and Charles can vouch that. I'm always telling them, you know, I got all this stuff, I don't have it out there, and they're like, why not? Why not? So you either do that, you build it and never do anything with it, or you build it and you do something with it, you get it out there, you sell it right away, you have it out there in the wild without testing it. Nobody's tested it. And you don't even know how it's going to work. Yeah, it works because you did one thing in it, but you don't even realize there's so many parts of it that probably aren't working because you didn't test it fully. You didn't be the customer, right? So I like to be the customer, go test the things, and then I learn stuff like this. Like, I didn't even think about putting in a flow that lets people get the card through the concierge and actually installs a new person on the card, right? Like, all of those things have to happen. And then if I want an automation when that happens for the person, I'd love to have them be surprised with a, you know, some kind of a SMS with a fireworks graphic that, you know, little video that comes up on their phone, right? So if I have SMS installed on here, I could do that too. I could have it build that. And, you know, if they're giving me their phone number, it could do a text with a link. And when they click on the link, or it could be a text with the little video or image on it. You know, there's so many different things you can do. But unless you test what you built, like a person that would be using it, have other people use it, not just yourself, because I built it, so I'm thinking about how I built it, not all the things that I didn't think about when I built it. So when you have other people use it, they think about it differently. They look for things differently that you didn't because you didn't build them in already. And then they'll say, well, it doesn't do this, or I tried to do this and it just stopped. Or did you know that it didn't, you know, the email says this? And I'm like, oh, that's not the one I wanted to send you. So all of those things that as you start testing it, you find out. And then, like you said, once you get that perfected, you build a couple, find different things like, oh, I never thought I could build a flow on it that does that too. That's great. And then you have a template. And now any restaurant place you go to, you could start with that same template. You know, adding the birthday club flow, adding, you know, the buy one, get one flow, whatever. Adding a coupon, you know, pass. So if they, you know, get a customer at a certain level, they could say, hey, we also have, you know, now you could swap out, have a different card, or you could have both cards. I've got some of my playbook cards with the event ones that they could have on different parts of that event. So, yeah, it's kind of never ending. Like when you get Joe Smith, saved as a contact, but no wallet pass. Disappeared old mock sign up. All right. So here's the issuance flow that it built. Let's go check that out. Okay.
Oh, add up things.
So now it's got confirm that they're 21, issue the wallet pass. If they couldn't issue it because they're not 21, it goes to here. Okay. Otherwise, your tap pass is ready. Let's see what that has in it. Should just be just a message. This one has the actual action. Wallet program, tap syndicate. So the action is wallet issue pass. So that's in your actions here. When you go to the actions, you have different things you can do. So you could create a flow that issues the pass, adds a punch, removes a punch, adds points, removes points, redeems a coupon, or sends a push notification. Those are things that you can have an action in a flow that automatically gets triggered on your passes. So when you start thinking about what do you want your pass to do, this is what you look for. You go in here and look for what wallet pass actions are there that I can do. You go into the tools and you look and say, are the, let me go back. to tools, if you go to automations, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to pass automations, create a new automation, and you're going to look for down here wallet pass triggers. When these things happen, which you can do in a flow, right, it will trigger any of these things. Adding a tag, putting them on a pipeline, starting a flow, that's going to be your best. Custom fields. So it's pretty, you know, unlimited what we can do once you create a flow that has an action that causes a trigger to do something else. These are the things that are going to be super powerful when you market these. These are the things that I can do. And I can do those because of the actions on the card that trigger these things. Make sense?
He was doing it. And, you know, I was watching this thing in Austin. I was there. They had a conference, big one, before they upgrade to their notebook, Gemini.